She's very, 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 very sad. She's very, very sad. It's very, very sad. He's very sad. Bros, wait near the motor now. You don't lock her. It's very sad, man. It's very, very sad. Hello, guys. Accident just happened in Upper right now. In Upper. Don't want to go close. You police, they don't come back. I mean, man, I'm shaking. Accident just happened right now. Let me show you guys the environment. Look at blood. Look at blood. The boy died instantly. That's the white JK that caused the accident. Oh, look, see bus when they park for one place, so they park that bus for one place. Now the JK they come now smash the bus. The boy with the key now they come from work. He just closed. They say the boy they work for this area. He just closed for work. He crossed. They usually they work out. They go as JK they come fia. Pick the boy. Pick the boy. Finish. Dump up in one corner. Draw enter that under that weather. And thank God for that weather, man. That weather, your wife and the children were sitting down there before. They just stand up, enter house. Never reach 2 minutes when accident, when this thing happen. As in like 5 confirmed life. Now for just go now. 5 life. I'll post the video later because I recorded the boy before they took him. My painful part, okay, look at that POS. He smashed that, may I zoom out. He smashed that POS. If they come from this side. Just like this policeman crossed, whether that police I don't know. I thought the boy take cross, begin they walk out, they go that side, they walk out, they go house. When GLK, when they drive the corner, they pick the boy. GLK again. See POS when they build, just stay one place, they scatter around. See bus when they park, the man park and cross, go eat. They scatter around. The man say, yo, they eat finish, he calls me your rest more. If not, the boy, the man now for us to die. See GLK when he keep person down. See, JK will keep person here. As he said, their life depends. They want making 1 million, 2 million, 10 million. The next that want to buy JK, the one with they pay me pass right now. This young boy now don't lose his life. The one with they pay me pass. When this thing happened, the boy was still alive. The boy was still breathing. Police come now. I'm not guess what the police do. I'm not guess what the police do. Person die. Person. I'm not guess the police come. The first thing when they rescue, now be the boy with jump person. And the money with the disciples, now they carry. They leave the boy with the jump for ground. Before they carry them and go police or come back. The boy don't give up. You see Nigeria police. When I see Nigeria police. When I see, as I finish my CEO place, at the other location on Monday, I go look for location. For after Idogbo. I used for a while when I went for the concert. I used to come from a while. Now I see the accident just happen. I take come down so back. Before me even were carrying the boy, they don't give up. They say police don't come. Carry the boy. Carry money with this car. Come out. As they come down, they go there. Now the police they come back and carry the boy. Not be police come. A private car come carry the boy. When I see what they go to for Nigeria, private car. Because that's not police van. It's a white Corolla. Now they come stuff the boy, put on his side boots. Carry come out. See blood now. I'm not see blood. I'm not see man. The boy break leg. The boy leg break. I don't want cross go that side. I'm not see blood. What bag ya? When see Nigeria one would day. When see Nigeria one would day. When see Nigeria one would day. You see this country. See the white car when keep us see. Or it doesn't bother him. Imagine to hand a motor you are parking. You know where you park so a woman, a man. And 2 children were sitting down there. Now that place, that be your husband, that be your husband workshop. They just left there not up to 5 seconds. They just left there not up to 5 seconds when the boy they drive right out there. After they don't fling the poor boy come here. The poor boy break his leg. The poor boy break leg. The poor boy was still breathing. Police come waiting consign them. Like person when jump person they carry. When lifeless human being dey ground. lifeless body take ground. See how the boss now go know this place now. See how now where boss or the revise or Idogbo. See how when lifeless body take ground, what the police will carry. Now person will jump person and money with their side boots. This country is finished. This country is finished. I'm going home, I'm tired. I'll post the video of the guy later when he was still breathing and when he gave up. I had the privilege to record it. I'm looking for, do you see her? Let me and my director go look for location. Now you need because they find so. Well, let me be that. I didn't know for you to go. See, guys, it's not funny. The young boy, the boy they come from work. We have to park now. We they drive, they come. We can't park. We see the accident. We park. We see the accident. Young boy just lost his life. That boy, if he too much, never passed 17 years. He died for waiting on consign him. That boy is small just now. Very small boy. Yeah, we don't know when I cross. Or cross or you can do what? Or close. Or do you want? Eh, why manage the boy? You swear. You want to take boy see where or mercy that over there pretty. I'm not ha. What mean your way police you? You want to know how to want the boy. You want to know you go to how to wear. The by the boy don't swim. In a some on your pretty. In a say you told in a bar. You get police in one. You may blame. On not static bail. For my money, only work as save you. Oh, go on, only gaffisi. Only gaffisi. Oh, God. Nobody visit the board.
We're sure that all right, this way.
Yeah, maybe I can't. That's
the reason I say in your house.
Yeah, in your house.
Near that place.
You know what the man on that was shop. Que the man come okay to be ever. To be ever, you were outside. You walk back here. You must 2 minutes. You know what, Borue? Ah man. Salabu Amudiane, boy, he was so unfortunate. I hope we are in a pedestrian walking where there. Police. Very much away now. We are woo. Man, no way. What we are my lawyer. This is Nigeria is gone. A police now no save one. Or he go no go do motor. No jam my car. No na jam no road.
I will go protect the land. Hey,
but the boy was still pretty now. The boy was still pretty when they came. No, the boy was the video there with me now. Yes, the boy even though I was 7 car, the boy was still alive.
I was not breathing. Yeah,
I think you're right. The boy was still breathing. They were just concerned about the money and what they would gain because of your less of your we are seeing any motor GK here after you go boy. Also, you know they get good in. On only people had the GK name 5 million or 3 million. Then you have to take a police station. No human life no worth anything today. You only found now. I don't think the 3 million, but you must see. I know when the motor here.
I was here saying, of course, after more
any police area so na e bo ni e pa they will kill him. They will kill him.
The boy was still breathing. Even if doctor never even confirm body dead, you have no right to confirm it dead. Am I more something that we why did they have to fail here? You can actually resurrect some people. You can actually so people now they just they sleep, they know they breathe again. No me say they don't die. You know me say they don't die. I don't want to experience that with my dad. When my father died, I knew how God would the next day because he was seriously sick. It happened. You want to confirm me? Why? God, Nigeria police. What is?
For you.
Guys, I've got to go. I'll post the video later if Facebook will permit me. Post it later so you guys can see it. If Facebook will permit me, I don't know. I have the videos. It's painful. It's painful. Maybe the boy and I and the beer, any family. Maybe you're back and why who knows? Ah, my God. Suffering in this country is terrible. It's terrible. Ma. Abi, the boy die or not, he die alive or not. Ambulance supposed follow them come. As I said, the doctor they say an accident. Ambulance supposed follow them come instantly. Now from that place they'll start the revival if you go see come back to life or not. No. They are looking for money. Oh yeah, you get for money. Young boy with vision. Cheers. Alright guys, I've got to go. Like, I'm having a headache, tired, stressed. The experience is not a good sight to behold at all. It's not a good sight to behold. Bro said go now. You can not reverse no day for who are going drive and a trailer now. And I'm asking about the accident no more. When what advice you do not navigate. I need to go, guys. I'm stressed. I'm really stressed right now. My head is not balanced. I'm nervous. I'm shaking. Alright, guys. I'll post the video later, like I said. If Facebook will permit, I'll post it. Just take care, guys. Love you always. Bye.